Hello, hope you're doing fine. This video is going to be short. I'm not well, I have fever. Hmm. Um, we are slowly reaching towards the goal of Shravan and Manan. Uh, Shravan and Manan are always aimed at cutting off our ties from the world. Hmm. So, first, the illusion related to the structure of society has to be debunked. Hmm. So that samsara cannot project anything onto you. Hmm. No harsh realities of samsara can become your truth because your truth is Brahman. Huh? These harsh realities where you are you are unsuccessful. Hmm. Because if you are not earning a certain salary, certain figure, you are unsuccessful in samsara. If you are not married by a certain age, you are not successful in samsara. Huh? If you don't have these many accolades, you are unsuccessful in samsara. So, not letting samsara project its harsh realities upon you, because if these realities are projected onto you, they will become your truth. But your truth is only Brahman. Hmm? Because now you know that apart from Brahman, nothing else exists. Hmm. This Purna is alone real. It even says, Purna is so honest. It says, I, 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 I. Hmm. It tells us only I am real. Everything else is unreal. Don't go into the world. It is all unreal. Hmm. So the illusion of samsara is thus broken. Then the sadhaka has attachments with people in his immediate surroundings. Hmm. How can you maintain these relationships? Hmm. Because other than you, nothing else is real. Hmm. So, for few years, huh, it is advisable to only focus on yourself. That's why in the very first video that you must have listened about Maharshi's words, I think वे तुम्हें अगले जन्म में भी खोज ही लेंगे. In that video, Maharshi recommended that सत्य के साधक को अपने आचार्य के घर रहना चाहिए और बहुत श्रद्धा एवं भक्ति से उनकी पूजा करनी चाहिए. साधक को चाहिए कि वह गुरु को भगवान के रूप में देखे. This stage can only come into your life when you have temporarily disconnected yourself from even your immediate surrounding, and focus only on the Guru which is within you, not on any external Guru. Guru is always within. Huh? So when these two types of illusions are broken and just the last one is left, you will realize that now you are in the right position to help both your immediate surroundings and the rest of the samsara. Now you are in the position to give. You are not a beggar anymore. So Shravan and Manan are always aimed at making you independent. How? By cultivating dispassion within you. Once you realize that this samsara is dangerous, it's not a playground. It will become your playground once you attain wisdom. But till the time you are ignorant, you are at the risk of being exploited, of being tormented by samsara, even your immediate surroundings. Because everyone in samsara has their own agendas. So, what is required is you are required to be dispassionate and to pursue Brahman, to pursue Devi Shakti, which is within you. For how many years have you ignored your own Shakti? Imagine, have you ever asked her, the Devi Shakti that resides within you? Have you ever asked her, how are you? Have you apologized? I'm sorry, I have been ignoring you. That Devi Shakti that helps you in living in samsara. Due to that Shakti, you are able to functioning in samsara. Your body will collapse if Shakti is not there. So the love you feel for samsara, people of samsara, objects of samsara, take that love away from them and direct it towards your own Shakti, your own inner feminine, your goddess. Then you will understand what Surna is. You must dive deep into yourself with so much love that even the Guru Brahman, melts away in the love you have. So this is the aim of Shravan and Manan. And this is why it is so important for us to understand that this nature that we experience is not our real nature. It's just a programming. And once it gets dissolved, what will happen is we will arrive at our real nature. So when you listen to Bhagwan, and you can listen to any video uploaded on the channel Medicine of One. In the beginning, try listening only to Bhagwan. There will be less confusion. Once you have finished Maharshi's literature, you can go forward with the literature provided by any other master. So there is a playlist and there are 24 videos in that. So I will try to mention it in the description box below. So start listening to it because we have danced around enough. Hmm. Till now, we have only been targeting on the first two illusions. Huh. Now, from the month of May, we will target the last, the final illusion of us being this mind. Hmm. And for that, we will require Bhagwan's literature because I am not authorized to share my thoughts about Brahman. Huh? I can only when I have Bhagwan's literature. Hmm? Making his words the foundation of my experience, I can share what I understand about Brahman with you because I haven't experienced Brahman directly. Huh? So my authority actually ends hmm, at the starting two illusions. Hmm. Then in the next video, because in this video I won't be able to share much. My throat is having so much pain. Hmm. In the next video, we will discuss about faith hmm, and how faith helps you in receiving the correct information. Hmm. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'll see you Friday. Hmm. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.